Hey there, beauty lovers. Today, I'm excited to discuss one of my favorite beauty secrets, castor oil. This has been a game changer in my skincare, hair care, and even in treating minor ailments. Don't know about it yet? No worries, my dear, because today, I'm going to share with you the top 10 incredible benefits of castor oil that will make you want to rush to the store right now. Moisturizes skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil contains fatty acids like oleic acid and omega-6 essential fatty acid, which penetrates deeply into the skin. By hydrating the skin, it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles over time. It acts as natural moisturizer, which also helps soothe skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Enhances hair growth. One of the best-known benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. Its ricinoleic acid supports blood circulation to the scalp, strengthening hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Additionally, it also helps to reduce hair breakage and adds a healthy shine to hair. Treats dry and itchy scalp. Due to the presence of the humectant properties that lock the moisture of the skin, castor oil can provide comfort to dry and itchy scalp. As it promotes hair growth, it also soothes the scalp, thus preventing the development of dandruff. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. Are you tired of sparse eyebrows and eyelashes? Castor oil can help you. It contains vitamin E, which is known to enrich hair follicles, resulting in thicker, fuller brows and lashes. Pain relief. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has immune stimulatory and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it an excellent natural remedy for minor pain relief caused by conditions like arthritis or muscle strain. Apart from that, it can also help to reduce menstrual pain when massaged onto the lower abdomen. Boosts immunity. It might surprise you, but the antibacterial properties of castor oil can help boost your immune system. A small amount massaged onto the chest and throat can help alleviate symptoms of flu, fever, and other minor infections. Aids digestion. When massaged onto the abdomen, castor oil can help stimulate peristalsis, which are muscle contractions in the intestines. This can help alleviate constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues. Natural laxative. Castor oil can be a great natural laxative, helping in the easy passage of stools from the body. It helps loosen the muscles in your intestines, increasing the flow of waste, and promoting regular bowel movements. But, it is important to use it as directed by the healthcare professional. Reduces signs of aging. Because of its moisturizing properties, regular use of castor oil can help reduce signs of aging on the skin. It works great as an anti-aging solution by boosting collagen production. Not just that, it also reduces puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines in the eye area. Heals cracked heels. Finally, nothing is worse than having cracked feet. But, wait, don't worry. Castor oil also helps in repairing cracked heels because of its healing and moisturizing properties. Mix it with coconut oil and lavender oil, and use it overnight to see results. So, there you have it, my top 10 incredible benefits of using castor oil in your beauty routine. From promoting healthy hair and skin, to aiding digestion, and providing pain relief, this versatile oil has got it all. Do you use castor oil in your routine? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Until next time, stay beautiful.